guys, I'm Tarrosa here and welcome back to another vlog. For today's video, I want to show you the very famous BOYA by-MM1 microphone. It's a universal cardioid microphone that is compatible with smartphones, tablets, laptops, cameras, and other recording devices. It is compact and lightweight directional microphone that has rugged metal construction. There is no need for battery and it also has professional furry windshield included. Later, I'm gonna show you one by one what's in this box and its inclusion. By the way, I did buy this online in a local authorized distributor, One Gadget. I'll link their online shop in the description box below. First item that's in the box is BOYA by-MM1 Universal Cardioid Microphone Manual, whereas you can understand the instructions, features, specifications, and troubleshooting of the product you bought. A warranty card guarantees the buyer to repair or replace a faulty product during the warranty period. Furry windshield is designed to reduce or eliminate the wind noises, helps to black out background sounds, and protect your microphone from dirt and moisture. This by-MM1 microphone comes out in compact size and lightweight aluminum structure. It will not be a heavy burden while you're shooting outdoor. This is also plug and play, so you will not worry about the battery status. Anti-shock mount can provide basic protection from damage, effectively reduce unwanted vibration, isolate microphone from mechanically transmitted noise and handling noise. Is 3.5mm TRS connector. It is for camera, camcorders, audio recorders, and other audio-video recording devices. I am currently using this plug named 3.5mm TRS connector, and it is for smartphone, tablet, or Mac laptop that uses for recording audio only. Additional item is the BOYA leather pouch, perfect for traveling so you will not worry where you will put the parts of the mic. Lastly, the 2.5mm to 3.5mm adapter, but this is not included in the box. In my case, my camera has 2.5mm port, so I need to buy this item for me to use the 3.5mm TRS connector. I will now try to put the parts in my camera. The first part of the voiceover, I'm using my iPhone earphone to record my audio, and while I am introducing what's in the box, I'm using this BOYA microphone. It reduces my background noise. You can also not hear the noise of the electric fan which is in front of me now, and I am also not having a problem regarding on my breath when I am speaking with my earphone versus this BOYA microphone. This is not a sponsored video, but I hope this unboxing and review gives you knowledge about this BOYA by-MM1 microphone. Ask me anything in the comment section below regarding this microphone. I'm free and willing to help you out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this to your friends that are interested in this product. Thank you for watching and happy vlogging!